Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the simple but important process of self-attesting a document. Whether you need it for a passport, visa, or OCI, self-attestation is often required. Let's get started. Self-attestation means that you, the applicant, confirm the photocopy is true and correct. Instead of a notary, you take responsibility for authenticity. Start with the original document, like your passport or driver's license. Then make a clear photocopy of the page or pages required. On the photocopy, write self-attested or true copy of the original. Sign your name clearly. Add the date below your signature. Never write on the informational part of the document, like the printed text, photo, or ID numbers. The signature and statement should only go in the empty space of the photocopy. Always use blue or black ink. If your document has multiple pages, sign and attest each page, not just the first. And that's it. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more how-to guides.